See, that's 2 amps.
So much, pretty much.
No, it makes gotta have more. See, we can get the one tweeters on the bike. They're gonna be behind the gauge. Live and direct at Money's Car Stereo. Got one in from Patterson. My man said he'd been watching my videos saying it's addictive. I'm just saying. Don't sit on my bike. He did. Well, hey. He said, man, do what you can do with no lowers. Take me to the max. Hey. So be it. It shall be done. Money's Car Stereo. Just letting you see what I see. We out. Record. Day 1. Got some wiring done. Got the front highs in. Tomorrow, we'll start on the bag work. You know, see if we can get on my timeline like I told him. Told him Saturday, Friday night-ish. Probably shoot for Saturday morning. We'll see how we go. Tomorrow, bag time. Money's Car Stereo, just letting you see what I see. Give an update up close and personal live for the customer so he can know what's going on with his vehicle. That's all I got to say. We out. Good night. Got a comment. He told me that the TSA 69965 was discontinued. Which I told him, yes, I agree. They are discontinued. But, as one might see, I got a few. So, I won't have to answer that question of what to do for a minute. As people are starting to come to that conclusion, what to do? Rob, the 6x9 is over with. What to do? I said, I don't know. What to do? I don't know. Well, eventually, I'll have to answer that question too. But till then, I'm gonna keep on pushing. Like I said, it's bag days. Put the tank back on. Bag set up. Bag set up. I think tomorrow we're gonna have some sound. Hey, I gotta keep things moving, right on schedule. Be yelling next real soon. You know, we show up in Sherrod here at Money's Car Stereo. I don't take no appointments. It's on demand. You show up, that means you're serious. You know how we do it. We gotta go. Good night. I think we got sound tonight. Wiring. In '99, you was told an EPA inspector. Bags. Run a groundwater test on your property. He was trespassing, same as you. Just give us an alibi. You can get back to the fortress of bags. I don't answer to a couple of Obama bots. Face all that Philly shit. You on a break, just too broke, you a silly bitch. Niggas like talking on the net, they got me really bent. Off that hammer, ask that nigga what he really meant. If I give a bitch a dose, she gon' fall in love. Fucking half 50 click, you can't tell us slugs. Dice gang 10 to 4, hitting all the thugs. Glocks, chops, and XDs, we got all the guns. Still with the same. Every bitch I'm fucking say they only fucking me. When all the rich niggas fuck you. Make you my baby, I love you. You was a dime, but I do. Here we go again. Once again, Rob, Money's Car Stereo. We looking at all kinds of stuff, letting people see what I see. We enhancing with the tweeter upgrade on my man. Say, man, where you from, man?
Patterson, California, man. I'm from East Oakland, California, man. We came out here from Patterson. Over here with Money Rob right now, you know. Getting that 14th Street glide taken care of, you know. Salute all our people. Make sure if you want to get your bike done, man, come out here and talk to Money Rob, man. They got a lot of them out there, man, but the man do his thing, gonna take care of you in a timely fashion. Salute.
Hey.
Swag Magazine CA, the People's Magazine. Where
yeah, tell us where we can find out about that, man.
Come on, check Swag Magazine CA out. You can find us at swagmagazineca.com or madcloud.com/Swag Magazine South. We got 2 magazines, Swag Magazine CA, that's from California to the Midwest. We got Swag Magazine South from the Midwest to the Deep South.
Oh, so y'all going coast to coast?
Artists, we coast to coast. So any of y'all artists want to get on, we got models, entertainers, entrepreneurs, business affiliates, whatever your talent is, and you feel like you can you're gonna fit the bill. You know, it's definitely a screening process that we go through. But give us a email us at swagmagazineca@gmail.com. That's the best way to get a hold to us. Don't call. Email us. When you email us, that means you took your time out to present yourself, to distribute yourself, and I mean you're serious and you're about business. That's gonna get us back to you faster. That's swagmagazineca@gmail.com. Salute.
Y'all heard him, man. Let me show y'all what a little peekaboo what we did over here. You know, we used to be doing some work, making it happen. Got the 14. I'm telling you, he's starting it in, you know, with the entry level. This ain't entry level, this is mid-grade, but he say, Rob, he ain't ready to go to the top quite yet. But he might be happy with this, but you never know. There's always room to grow. Money's Car Stereo. We getting them in, getting them out. I told him 5 days, it was actually 4. But you know, hey, as you see, today's a Sunday, fun day, Harley Davidson day. Money's Car Stereo. If you wasn't here, well, you know the phrase. Kill yourself. Once again, I told y'all I know people who know people. This Money's Car Stereo collaborating with
Swag Magazine CA, the People's Magazine, where every artist should be.
That's right, you heard them. Come on, come on. You're gonna see what they see, you're gonna see what you see. Holla at him. What's that address to get to you at, man?
SwagMagazineCA@gmail.com. SwagMagazineCA@gmail.com. Email us, because that way we know you see it.
That's right, Money's Car Stereo. We out of here.
Just like that.
Everything, it all came just like that.
Oh, just like that. Yeah, them
Hey y'all, it's Rob from Money's Car Stereo, making it happen.
others be like running like this.
Man, what happened to your bike, man? What happened? Tell America what happened. Come on now.
Man, I was on the freeway, man, and one thing happened. My bag came up missing, man. You know, so.
But you told me the story was when you got there, you didn't notice it was gone until you went to put your jacket.
The music was sounding so good. I was looking good, sounding good. I went to go took my riding jacket off to put my leather on. I reached for my leather, my whole bag gone.
God damn.
Same time, the bike looking good and sounding good and everything. I never even knew the thing was missing.
Looking good from the from the left hand side, y'all, because this side was still there. This was gone. Over here.
Exactly how it was. When I reached for my bag,
yeah,
the whole thing gone.
Yeah, so we today we getting him set up with. He got more bags over here, some extended. We so far we got one already recarpeted and rebuilt. We on round 2 right now. We're gonna get him in and get him back to the valley. I was gonna tell him 2 days we'll be back, but you know what? He was here on time. Like I stress people, be on time, and we're gonna run it all night long until we got to. That's all I got to say.
That's how it is.
That's what you're talking about.
Money Rob. You understand? Money Car Stereo.
That's right, in the house, and we out.